Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
One day while strolling through the city, the noble prophet came across a crowd of people gathered on the road. Their laughter and buzzing excitement was clear, even from a distance. As the prophet drew closer, he saw what was making the crowd so excited. They were torturing a rooster. The prophet could hardly believe what he was seeing. The people of his city were being cruel to an animal just for their own entertainment, and they seemed to be enjoying every horrible minute of it. In the center of the crowd, the frail rooster jumped around in distress, clearly in pain. A loud croaking sound came from its dry throat, but nobody showed any signs of mercy. Its feathers were scattered on the ground, and blood trickled steadily down its head. Still, not one person in the crowd seemed to care. Instead, they started to throw rocks at the rooster from every direction. The rooster ran from side to side, desperately trying to dodge the flying rocks and escape. Soon the rooster was too weak to even lift itself off the ground. The wounded animal's tired attempts to move only made the crowd laugh harder. The prophet watched this happen and was upset by their behavior. He pushed through the crowd and stood in front of the rooster to shield it. The shower of rocks suddenly stopped, as everyone froze once they saw the noble prophet standing right in front of them. He scolded the ignorant and merciless crowd and told them that their behavior was absolutely unacceptable.
Hurting any creature, no matter how big or small, is not what Muslims do. Cruelty is definitely not a permissible way to have fun.
The stern words of the prophet seemed to knock some sense into the crowd, and they hung their heads in shame. Realizing what they had done, they felt bad and began to leave. The prophet was not against healthy forms of sports and entertainment, but all fun activities should be of a good and safe nature. Sometimes he participated in horse racing competitions with his companions. Other times, when playing with children, he would pretend to be a horse and let them ride on his back. Through his example, we can see that Islam teaches us how to find healthy sources of fun and games. The prophet reminded the crowd that there is a difference between healthy entertainment and unhealthy entertainment, which is cruel and often at the expense of someone else. We should not participate in any activity that is harmful to any person or creature, including ourselves.